I created this AI sketch to real photo transition free in just 5 minutes. Here is how you can do it too. Brands are using them for their products promotion. Creating these videos is easy. Let's learn how to create them using AI tools. Step 1, go to Sora and log in. Step 2, upload your product outfit and the model face image. Step 3, write this prompt. Image will start generating. Step 4, download the generated image. Step 5, now upload generated image and write this prompt. Sketch image will be generated. Download it. This is your first frame. Step 6, now go to Google Flow, choose frames to video. Upload first frame and second frame as shown. Step 7, then write this prompt and hit enter. Video will start generating. Step 8, once video is generated, download it. Video is ready, but it is with watermark. Now we will remove watermark using CapCut Desktop. Step 1, import video on timeline. Step 2, set aspect ratio. Step 3, scale video to a number where logo disappears. Usuallt for a vertical video, it is 120%. Step 4, now export video in 1080 pixels. Voila! Your AI sketch to real photo transition is ready within 5 minutes. This is free and without watermark. Pro tip, customize the prompt for different results. Want to learn more on how to create viral AI video ads? Then subscribe.